Previously on Ghetto Love.
I mean, but what do you mean, Cusco?
Me take my come say you are not a bad person.
Sorry for disturbing you. Why you be that?
Oh no.
When you red?
Blackie don't even
Make out red and draw red.
I'm not even aware the name crowd. And yet you say, and Timmy, you be what
You too.
Yes. Tell me no, Joseph. But you might come no. I open everything bare to you. A blue, a green. Me fa bibi ensio. Na wotimi hwenya me anim, ade nyama sie me.
Frima.
Aden. Na me ne wote. Na wotimi de ensem ente se ade sie me.
Oh, Frima, what happened?
Don't ask me what happened. Wouldn't him near would he see me? Wouldn't him secret? What so? I would he see me? I don't know. I can't so when you're back.
Frima. And yes, if you are empowers. Mean to me for me how you know mammy goes.
Joseph, a dear bainty, and now bar me no what say. Would me one near bar? I will no to school more bre, a here feast and put here do be dear. Now won't me more money. I did tell me no to me no tenebone. Joseph, me no tenebone. Eh? And I won't be some my dear mamma papa me tea.
Frima, Miss Rowe, fetch me. Say, that rule, you know, I could come in and soon. It's Miss Rowe, Frima, Miss Rowe. Fetch me.
Joseph.
Meet me. No, listen. Meet me for me how. Yes, I make a wow. Because you're not taking care of me.
Doesn't matter. Have I complained?
No, I'm not saying you complain.
But what is it?
Nothing.
What do you mean nothing?
Oh, come on, girl.
No, look, don't do that.
Yo.
Don't do that.
Listen, Miss Rowe. Meet me for me how. And you meet me a complaining at Rowe. Tell me what I must say. Yes, I mean, no. Miss Rowe.
Joseph. Sebe, me who wanna me pewasem. Me you are makumeni, and I'm a semi notes na. Me mpese me ye niema bebre ase me pushi niema de bawa kwam to say de me ye bu when I don't want to do that. But I believe say me ne wote na bibi how na wo kwa atiti mo e affect me.
Oh, minim.
So you should be able to tell me.
Matiasi.
How you me how?
Oh.
One man ye my man ye we go through it together. That is why we are together.
Frima, I love you so much.
I love you.
Mama. Hey, Frima.
My nene kasai, my nene kasai. My money direction say, on breath na on brambeji. Wow, funny ma, me am catching this on breath.
Mati, any problem?
Babe, men fashion see me,
Mati, I'm sure.
I'm sure.
Frema, I love you so much.
You know I love you.
Oh, Frema. We want someone in control. Oh, Frema.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. We are now. Don't do this again. I love the song.
Oh, nice.
I direct swag one day. Tell me know that a fierce light in a Ghana. Me I link up with some girl them. She change my life and spec it up for me. Me can't make the girl them move out from my life, you know. We are good here and well love. You see me? Almighty Adonai inspiration.
Amanda. Yeah. Okay.
Hey. Share? Whatever. Let's share all these shots. I think. Are you serious? What? Oh, why are dear? Hey, whatever. So I don't want to enjoy life. In a German promise I get to. Oh, this is great. Why are dear? Now what's he saying?
Charlie. I could was a Charlie. If you're Amanda. Say come and call my home. Oh, Amanda, oh, your baby are on. Say, me, you know, massy, I'm woman back, woman. Akabenezer bien one, say, on the da. I swear, Amanda. A near man near me, boop your honor near me, be a sunny few would sit here. No, Charlie.
Feel the minimum was having a madam for no.
We did 3 times a day.
That's a sign. Don't pay me. I'll probably be 10 times a day.
I did beat me and see me being shame. Take your shame.
No, so don't even call
Amanda, if you're home, you're in any brew. You be teacher say, be bien one be besana on family. Now, Miss I can't no quite tata.
I'm not down for no girl. I shall know. I shall not know. You might remember say, Quebec outside. I say, by fear, any fee. Not just say, I can say,
your party goofy on. Now, Unima dear Barco, Amanda, you say, mean to me, my house show.
Oh, I understand.
See, they have banner dear, mean to me, by all the time, beer. Because who pay crown and ass and then knee or quite near day, some way be what I say. Yeah, to the mesro. And yet, 10 piano meet me a day. Every show. So, to never be I say, with me tears and not to me understanding.
No problem. Say, if you hold it, me, fee.
My market is a boys now, mobile.
Oh, Yomba. Won't be some of us, and I'm so what to go and find your mouth.
Yes, George and so I started pushing. A book close. And once we trouble for no more watching. So they are quabacuna.
Yes, I will be paid.
Oh, no, they say no, say a ton, a man, and so I bet you be a ton. Hey, my few. Yeah. And said, Mamma concert.
When fans, and say, when so peace, though. You wine, oh, giant.
Mr. Ma painting, and so Amanda dear.
I'm a dancer.
And I say, you know, doggy now.
And the best of your number. Once Joseph doing him that day. And
Me, I feel and I don't actually know the things he likes, the things he dislikes. And near man, I say, on power bar, your power bar. You know, say, my dear, you should know how to keep your man. What I say? Inti, I just wanted to know, say, be a baby or I won't pay. Maybe or I need any adriane, be the any sika, be the any hobrasia, you know, that kind of thing. Yeah, I don't know about Joseph, like.
Nayana. Oh, when it dear, now say, oh, should be now, hey. And what for you, madam?
You ain't count down.
Hey.
You ain't count
I hold it.
Hey, yeah.
Every house
It's a center.
Ah, I say, me, Mama, know why you so answer.
Aye. What do you want for them? Okay. Show me the way. Show me the way.
Anyway, they met me. I can't say, Bema de, or body also send a crab. And I don't send them, Mamma, no about no more home.
Right.
And see, I think, say if you had a definitely a journey, a bebron so car. But I think if you really want to keep him, man, if you really want to keep him, someone say on your Juma. So what I say, there might be one or Tiffy now or Ban will take in charge, and I say you be in control of the house or feeling low or feeling that say when I am the head of the house instead of him. So what our advices? I think say Ube man will be like man huge amount of money be.
But what does he actually want to do? That's the question.
That one there, I don't know. That one depends on you. You are supposed to talk to him. But I think say when man only be discussing how man can he be like some huge amount of money. Say we are on say
or this
should be yes because you don't like sending your head or titi feel. I think say we are salmon and any budget. I know so obe who say or be a bema instead of you. Because on what you have no hebiana or pewo but criminal bema dear or bow was he catching and answer them won't so I think say but what I want to advise you, one thing you shouldn't try. Don't let him into your father's business.
Why?
Why what? I am advising you as a friend.
Don't be silly.
Come on, listen.
Oh, no.
Frema, listen to me.
Okay.
Listen to me. I'm talking to you as a friend.
Right.
I love you. That is why I'm telling you the truth. Say, I'll not see your madam for coming to me. I can be a trainer. But babe, your father's business is for you. Is your business. What do you outside of your papa business? Why he can? I'll bet me outside. No, bet me I'm not conform.
Let's say Joseph on your outsider.
And I make sure say, just focus on your father's legacy. Continue for him. And I think that old man will be very happy wherever he is.
Amanda, listen.
But make sure say, on fano ain't real papa business. In fact, even if open say we involve in a crown out there, relax, me worry we are not bibia. But for now, men could remember your whole door semna. And fano go show papa business more. Yes, I assemble. I will not be there. You.
I mean, the the basics are for him to be able to read and write, know where to keep the business and all that. Because I do maybe over. What's a me or bad? If it drew point to be a bit bros.
And I make sure say you can actually do that, but not now. Sisi ane de maniska kesi bi. So what I say maniska kesi bi na on fan start. Onanga say mo say me be mo fan start bi. So the make cannot tell myself. So I think that's good. You're welcome. You have me.
Right.
My the comedy meal.
Oh, very ready this year. You're not so much, very ready this year.
Not that day. Because you are.
I don't ready, but.
My mama didn't crash me.
You have you.
I say, I saw you could eat. I'm in proud them.
And you come and do this today.
Come there, them.
Woman, me say, Joseph, me can't sembia. She say, me share be. Me share Joseph sasoda. Can you imagine? It's me, my boy is lost in India.
Sir?
Oh, so, David, and you're going to number. I don't love you because of your money.
Hey.
And I'm saying, oh no, I mean, and you said me boy him Tiana, baby, just keep something on you. I said, no.
What if maybe I'm not kind of something or ignore you?
The money 50,000 on you.
What?
50,000. Brand is Debbie. Yes, you can't. Uncle, on your basic, compel basic. People say, your type is rare to find. Like, me who bear my own bit, maybe and no. I can say, 500 million. To say, the amount said, Joseph and Pet. I'm so okay. 2% a day. Like, I mean, basically, it's not about money for him.
Wow.
Oh, Amanda. Well, Mommy Bema. I always said that he was here to even see the kind of man I am with right now. Because genuinely, there is this genuine connection. There is a connection whereby it's not infused by anything. And you see, and you be like, or same genuinely. Oh, Joseph.
Joseph doesn't make an answer in Charles or a nice person. Joseph don't basa. Me name Joseph no onye basa ba. Cause no Joseph who makra no dwane. For him to even accept you no kra no. Me kaka.
Cause now I say any GP only be mata sorry any GP like there is that kind of sister. Me jide say we obana to ne say only relationship I'm telling you. Okay, a strong woman, independent woman, dependent over.
But are you comfortable with you? They said, "Why?
Okay.
The man of the house."
Right. Well, but not bride Janet share to be hey, okay. But you can say me remember how a Caribbean if you about it on a family pen and me. I mean, he's comfortable. He feels at home. Honestly, he's me and there is no single day. I say we even had an argument.
Wow.
Oh yeah,
that's great.
Baby, you want something? Oh baby, oh me baby more. Oh okay, baby.
Hey, what did you do?
God damn it.
That's a whole friend basa say. Our friend basa say.
Me friend you name.
One who be you mama, me best friend where you.
Yes.
Kai there you. Kai.
Yo. Jesus.
Anyway. And I said there.
Inti yanko we honana. Any baby okay.
Young queen, let's say you have to talk more.
Oh, nasa the answer.
Enjoyment minister. What the hell now chile who enjoy yourself?
Wonder.
Obi awo. I just said you must have Rafi have a idea and what the hell no monster and no British TV.
Now Baba na want to one country.
Trasem.
Man so basa.
Me ba me madam fufia. If you na me de wo betena mu no. And then me ba ha this me kran was ma bafia. Hey. And then kwasam na odi ni sa no. Who dey ta wo fi ha de?
Amanda.
So what are you doing? Then we wo fi ha no.
Say me kunia maso nyesi bia. Mapu me na egu pipi so. Me kunia maso.
We then ugunio maso. Oh shut up. Ugu dey so. O represent ni pa na madam for na. Dey kwaso fi anyina me ya we o. Just what is na Mr. Loverboy. Obi a wo ye hye adwuma bra ha bejiska. Ni a wo abet na he Loverboy things. And now madam for ne catch us all ma Oscar. Wo catch say me dey am po sir. Now Ghetto boy den ka love ho ben. Abrate. Ghetto boy den ka love e fa ho ben.
Wonder. Sebe koyi.
Hey, listen, me mpem kwasasem. Fu die ntia wo ba fie ha. Me na me do ba fie ha. E na me nim die ntia me do ba fie. Wo ya aware reason why you are here. It's meant na ha ni kwasasem. Sika no ye pe. Abesa love ati ha wi akede we no mo why ensa hwe TV.
Yes, kasem sa. Eni beba ho. Nti no ma miska me see wonya botre no.
Eni beba ho sase na date na onye sika ni na wo fia to de ma wa date na say eni beba ho.
So we so bi obeka se wo system.
Obeka say dey. In fact, listen to me. Adwuma na ye me na me control. What say dem kan ye no? Whatever I say stands. The mechano, and no will be tea, and no will be fine, no be a juma. We now be style lover boy twins. I bought you to be do her, then was a seminal. No. Father, this one, no, who say no more, how many. And I don't know. Now we'll get to buy that wine glass for obey. Hey, when Pen was a seminal to hidden. Who did so bad for her? Time is not on our side. She challenged them so. Yeah, every day. Oh, General.
Amanda.
Asabe, listen to me. Can baby are free? No one didn't say why not you challenge them so. Talk to them, kind. I thought I had John say crying than you.
Amanda.
What's the film so hot?
Say crowd.
Baby, you said me say me timika.
Friday, Juma.
Jummer. No, me say tapas near there.
Takwas near takwas.
Tapas in there, tapas in there.
Takwas there, say tankers. Oh, baby. You know, what don't you da?
It's really who.
Nyaw fimpa. Oh, that is too sweet.
For me,
Oh, no, cool.
Penny Parker, aye.
Oh, chum, well, no.
What's why I'm from?
Aye.
Over 20 anyway.
Aye, you went there. Oh, that's nice.
Sorry, on patrol. Oh, yeah.
Me.
Patrol. What's your gate now? Lover boy.
What's that?
Lover boys. Lover boy.
Lover boy. Why not lover boy?
Hey, oh boy, dada. No, I have so fucking. Oh, gate now. So, no, do come.
Open.
So, no, do come.
Okay, go inside. Right.
Lover boy, and then work out to small. Why have so fucking? Giddy, yo. I'm finding out my home for some poor African way. Madam, oh, bye for my. Yeah.
Okay.
Pasa, sit here. Sit here. Sit here. Madam, now go there. Inside. Baba boy.
Come here. When I am Zano. Come in a while. Babe, first of all, I'm sorry for your loss, okay? I know that is no more, okay? Now, I want to be on your speed dial, okay? I'll stop everything just for you. Now, I know you need a man in your life and, babe, I'm here now, okay? Please, just find a place in your heart to forgive me.
Wow. I'm surprised. It's supposed to be an apology.
I mean...
And I'm glad that you've realized that I need a man in my life. Joseph. Joe.
Yeah, babe.
Babe, please come.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. Okay.
Are you okay?
Yes, baby. Let me just help.
Oh, okay, no problem.
Just help.
Close this. How are you sick?
Frima, it was just yesterday. Come on. Shit.
What you say? You have to go.
Oh, besides, Sam, I'll see baby Aboko.
I'm telling you, because I need you.
Oh, no, famille.
Famille. Daddy Fro.
Say me Aboko. Name Aboko. Oh, that's good. Oh, and I'm on a Shebikai.
Of course, you will.
A control on a money control more still.
I think it's a cabbage stew now.
Baby, and a man, bean stew, bean stew.
So leave the family.
Oh. Now, what then how? What the 9 gems in up in what do you mean? Huh? On your chance, he said, I don't know how. I just am circle. Oh, not too money be good. Check a rubber and catch on him. A papa rubber. You're a teacher, Benko. I can't remember. I give me too much. Hey, sorry, circle.
The boss is sending me about Sapa.
Someone I don't know. I have.
Boss, telling me,
When your chance to say, this is it, man. Hey, sorry. Infant. Huh? Hey, sorry.
Why are you doing this, Gruma? It was just yesterday that I left.
Hey, sorry. What's on a mate? Oh, yeah, they may catch us. Sorry for an officer. Huh?
Gruma, do him any cry.
I'm from where I come do around my family. Hey, what's up with you, man? Get out of here.
Okay,
Hey,
Gruma.
hey,
I was so jaded.
my home with you, Uncle. Me never American Uncle. I'm finding where you look. Hey, good morning, day. I just grab. Kudos.
Why are you doing this to me?
Hey. Oh, yeah, dear, me not tell me kind of clone. Chop doesn't do that zungo. Touch cover in them gun knows.
What?
Zungo, touch
When you
him.
saw my baby,
No matter.
You can't say Fugunga Akabida only. By Irina, Yana wouldn't a dog in tar. Eh? Touch cover in them.
Bema na tasa.
Come to the woman, Mamma, said, many better bring on.
But you.
I want body sing. Said, yes, I'm going to pay just so much shit in the pediatric.
No.
Aye.
Jimmy Pa.
Oh,
Okay.
We don't know if you are. You don't try to control me. Huh? Yes and no.
I feel the baby.
And I didn't know we answer. And I'm about for you too.
Aye.
Love you, okay?
maybe I'm just
I say this is great. Online.
don't come with it. Maybe I'm welcome.
Share. Share, Auntie. You don't know. Oh. Yeah, I'm coming across. Do you know the whole movie son of your opinion?
Aye.
Wow.
Send you beside down.
That's why I'm sharing here.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
She's beautiful. It's only a fan.
I'm making a sub for them.
Sir, sorry, Poco.
See you in the baby.
Just say.
Oh.
Sweetheart, I'm quite about it. How you feel? Yeah? You feel. School now, we can hear BPR. Just call me. Number now, they send the location out. Call me anytime. Anything. Open crying for your brother. Yeah? But I'm so sister Penny. You hear beer and call me. What I say?
Thank you for real.
Yeah, for real.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Don't. You're welcome, pretty. You're welcome. Want to sit down?
Sit down.
Say, you hear beer call me? They say, for pepper frame. Who do you hear now frame? Because when I am catching it, I'm on fast party. It's what final year.
A try.
What final year? What are they? Husband, I.
Computer engineering.
Oh, you're smart.
Oh. Or send me papa. I'm not before I know it's smart. That really is smart.
Wow, that was smart.
Maybe I said that.
Damn.
Yeah.
Wow, that's cute. Auntie, they say what's in?
My sister back on chain.
Mbisa was saying.
No, I said
No, baby, Mbisa.
Offero.
What's in hand, sweetheart?
Yeah,
I don't know when anyone said no cancer.
Very dear.
Right now, me, I'm calling her. Many madam for near Conifina.
Are you kidding me? No, this is wrong. No, don't baby me. No, this is wrong.
Baby.
This is wrong.
It's many more things.
What do you mean, sir? It's
a man, you know, meet me a cat. And you mean, you know, meet me.
Any rooms they go if you have a Brahmin, you see. Any rooms? I have about 6 rooms empty. No petrol enough for phone chain. Why are you doing this? No, these things you're doing, you're getting me angry. Don't do that.
I'm so sorry.
I don't know, yes, sir. Why you letting into a person and I'm not be coaching him, Nana?
I'm in a same crowd here. To know when you be crowd.
Listen, Oma Quine come here. So, films, as I said, Ube free campus, Ababio's nephew school. It is not too far from your campus. What I say, this is your home. Yeah? I have. Your brother has a lot of rooms here. It's not even me, it is him. There were a lot of rooms that we are not even using. Nobody occupies those rooms. It's in Oma Kwanya. Call me, come home. Who was school crying for say come to there is a cook who can cook for you. Yeah? You are home. This is your home. The man who you was school da. So was sure be a day will pet you will be. Yeah? It's true. What's it?
Patrol. And that's yummy shroud.
Oh, sure. What is it, though?
Simon, I'm
wow. I don't know to know that.
No, that is a musician.
Wow. Oh, what is it? One day.
Oh, I'm going to be a Papa Chelsea.
Oh, that's nice. Oh, my voice is so crazy.
Oh, but my voice now. Baby, I love you so much.
I love you more.
Dear, in fact, if we are see about donos are doing about dear, let us what don't to Bushia. Baby, in fact, I love you so much.
I love you too.
I are dear, my in fact, many
don't, baby, don't, baby.
It's at my kind diary.
No, baby, don't. What do you want your little sister to do?
Baby, don't do
that, please.
I'm sure.
No, come on.
I'm sure.
Come on. Oh, yes, I want to get one on your day. Miss Ram.
I'm sure.
Don't cry. Yeah?
I'm sure I'm a baby.
I think the family or kitchen for just whatever you want to eat. Tell him.
Okay.
Or kitchen.
Family.
I think so. Just go and tell him whatever you want to eat. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you very
You're
much.
welcome. So, I'm going to lectures.
What's your dad?
Say. It's a kind of say. Run back home. What?
Patrol, Matthew. Yes.
Bye.
Ababio.
Now, Oba, if you had to say.
Yeah, if you are very much okay.
We are okay. We are sure.
Mm.
Oh, nice. We are okay, dear.
Aye. Okay.
I'm going to check on this. I'm going to go. Bye.
Yeah, what? No.
Honey.
Sister, no. Why?
Sister, man.
The lady that decided to pay for my school fees.
Oh. Cecilia, I don't know about me. No.
Amanda.
If you didn't come, I dare sound like that. If you didn't come.
Yeah, I don't care like that. But Penasam, yeah, because she's a very, very humble person. So I'll be out of here, because you want to go on home. But then it's most of my papa. So I really like it.
when you say we are pure school fees in our house.
Oh, Debbie, not at all. Not
Sure.
at all. I genuinely like it very much.
So you like her?
Mm-hmm.
That's good. That's good. Yeah. Oh, yeah, very good girl.
Yeah, I can see.
Yeah. But I'm very. Oh, here be Pia friend. And then can a Pia or Pia or the friend or the birthday or the bemo. But you know something? Make sure. Say, for honey dream muda. Always Pia na old friend now pisca deputy. Members are. It's a summer make a tree a draw. Minimum opa frefre. Opa frefre pa. Manen call us we misrow. Pipia with me a friend and an akasa. But then according to. Yes. I hope you got you.
Yeah, I get you.
You get my point?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So, wait my brother.
Okay.
Okay.
Go and enjoy yourself.
You make us up. Bye. Bye.
Bye. Good night.
One, two. One baby. For the moon, my niggas are getting the door, don't hold me. Getting the shows, my lovers are for one baby. Niggas are dodging the bullets, and niggas are doom, you know me. One baby. Up in the moon, my dollars are taking for cool.
Ready. Sika na me catch you say jima me no ewo hefa.
Sika bea. Sika
na I was saying kodima wa wanje na me se catch ne say me penti jibre me no ewo hefa.
Amanda. What money talking about?
You know what I'm talking about. Sika na wo hefa.
Sika bea.
Sika na me say Jeffrey frema ho bre me no.
Amanda, sika bea any ho.
Oh. Wow. I see. Anyway, I'm Rami Frau the whole day. I don't know one for.
Now I feel damage.
Excuse me.
I see no banning damage. Tina meant me and pick a call.
When I walk, sir. Only Mr. was a sampa. Only Mr. was a son. We're feeding some of the coffee, Wana. But they will call Fios a yard, Koya, Juma Branny, and Fescam Bobrano, who call and we a long story, your Johnsons. I say, who slow your madam, may Frewa can say, why feed that won't. Hey, and then they will only a wife in a memory. Hey, the cancer much low. When near Yatra when it. If you have been, I'm do coffee. Send them a Sunday call home, so would she me, I say you if you. Simone in the house, so all try to replace smart woman. So they make cannot say. Me.
Yeah, hello, Freeman. Okay, my birthday is here. I'm the patch of my birthday is here. Why? Okay. Rebecca Salita, Mamengo.
What do you mean, Rebecca Salita?
Then so I'll be feeling Chesson.
Incident.
Or so I'll be
incident. Many would not have many nipa na incident. Also, about incident.
Tini maybe I say Amanda. Let me go.
Amanda.
Hey.
Amanda, didn't cause.
Yeah, long story. Watch out. So we play tactics. Be with
me. And so play tactics. And then you me mafia ne.
Then yes.
I watch just the near to see one me mafia no.
Yes, see how there.
Oh, ye Gio. So they say.
Slow down.
No, I have Bob so Hey.
What do you make a later?
Titan, stop the bumbo clock and pull the gun. Throw the poverty like militant. Get the moolah like you eat the bank. Me never blow money in Decepticons. The money.
Painkiller, Tipaya problem, Joe, Tampay, me painkiller, Razor, Semako higher, Joe, Tampay, me Razor, it's a Priscilla, a dear man, Pani, a poor bricky hat, and me mankiller, Pimpana, we should be the pineapple, many time from Pena. Me for the dear Panama, me push, fire go bang you over the like push, we move for a moment, we read this a bush, we should replay, and a song like wish. If your girlfriend give you problem, not yourself, I'm married to one now. You put it from Ryan, a peso home, a buana. It's in Pema, Median and Tampi. It's in Pema, Median and Tampi. Missy Pema, Median and Tampi. It's in Pema, Sister and Tampi.
Hey, Tampi, man!
Siana waka kwa ye adwuma na se no.
Yeah, what the bia?
Ah, what bia bia ma on.
Oh, yeah, what
Champion Amanda na ze. Yeah. Ah, nene ma esa
ya ko fi onu bi nkwasese. Assignments na be the man no ko no lofts no ye onu bi nkwasese.
Joseph didn't go as him.
Concert, we are in.
I want to offer just 1 week in Yavy and no didn't go as him.
I love things with you.
Share what I got to boy or no did. Share.
Free shot, I call Kevin. Uncle Mission simple in Wakako fall.
It's only me.
Fall down flat.
Or trying to to sharp. Some coffee. Coffee on one strong one and say, when I John things no you feel no on your man. You manage China, we don't have some now do if you want.
There's no calamity idea to say, young Connie and Coy. I mean, young Satan.
One in kicking, some one in the kicking.
Any other way, I'm young one in Yamsicano way. Simple, you want any walk any baby.
I'm one a pinto.
Debbie, for now. Yeah, relax. Miss Mukam come on a warning kicking. No money would gain here, oh, feel.
Amanda, to pray me and him, why a mistake, pow. I do my way, simple, so the many I get. What you are trying to say, I was anyway, where mistake, why no.
So, should you have one of saying,
Amanda, you run a mood.
Maybe I'm now so too for
them within with me. Also, so like behind you.
I'm my condemn.
Uti wakana. Na me boy, china papa ko na misifio. Don't worry.
Yo, free.
Why? Hey. So the best video sage kan kakra. All right. Nanda nyamba papa ko ni.
So I am under the resource.
All right.
Ora china bobe se sare.
Then you never share.
TV.
All right. Kila. That all can. China no kanu. Oh, yes, so they sharp.
Maybe say you know the ocean news because I am much of a pity of ocean news.
Yeah, Freeman. Oh, now where the whole program can come here? Oh, okay. But I sound check. I feel no baby Didi. But your name, Mammy Jawe. Why? I love you. Okay, bye-bye. Madam Kali.
I've been passing the career. I can't let
Oh,
so I'm
going to catch you saying,
I was saying I'm a country city.
Oh,
I said,
that's bad. Why?
let's say my required mammy for Konya, so it's a privilege. Let's say my we dear ourselves. We papa. Me, I'm sure I know where young me who said,
Catch you into YouTube.
YouTube.
Hey, what did you watch?
While I'm a boy. It's not my dynamic slow. If you are now a slow. Most of your baby be when it a form. You're good. And then your baby be a ube fear or betting any mamma nipa. But how will you nipper be out? What when you Preocupe. Será o cinema. My madam, sonumuye papa. Sonumuye. Enje ni muda. Na my madam so sapa wasem. Opa wasem. Ane na me kache opa wasem. Sonumuye ono e baklo. Ne papa wo ne ba kupe. Tabla papa ni film no. E japade papa na nyina. Wo jama ne banu. We jama ne banu. Sama mo wanda wono so no muye enko ya no mfoni bi kole ne mutwe don't leave am dachi na beti ase nda mpanifo ase apese ye kese oyemo bifoche dachi where you go understand woni nda form no so no muye enya na pasa to wakasa we guy we good
me aso me husa so e ka na we don't see me bisa wasemo e ma obunfo facho wo ye penyina na ya akora
sawai very soon you go understand enche bia mamo se bia akora na me penya hai
kase o ko no se hweme na me ni di no
o se me hwe na di ni nyina o pa wasem papa obi kase o pa wasem a me madam o pa wasem
mate
oni nda ho
mate
no hold down
mate
ni no pasa Neba.
Usha na we penye.
And I say very soon.
Okay, Mati.
Eat for me. I'm coming.
Because see anybody can come is up and say me. Famille.
Bija. Abomana.
Bra.
Sorry. Good morning.
Good morning. Now what to say?
Na me adom na so e.
Mr. Try me pay fruit to me, mommy.
Fruit.
Tea. Ko ni mo hono na koto bi.
Sinama fruit kra de fiti a hatu ba bia fruit emu wo.
Na kan si wona ye dey.
Emu wo beble na kan minim sinama we de nkabe ya we de ne de kwa so. Mesedom. Nkabe timi afre. O se madam ko adwuma. Kabe frɛ no oba na ko ato bi aba no na best way go 50 hatu baby am ton fruit emuwa almost 45 to 1 hour emuwa
Kasi lo tukana ko to bi ba bye
tukana na mintu
tukana ne ko to bi se madam ko but no so ko stop esa na o han nti wa tukana ko to bi me na so na nim die me pen so
problem
tuta mango ni 2
mango 2
wato apple 2 wato kwadu
2 esa 2 ana se kwadu 1 2
one me pen me no bo fret 2
kwadu 2
bo fret 2 apple 2
sawa mati
okay
442
why ba honya hawo
ko mi tu ka
de na wo ha wo beduru so
sawa asa wona wo shimame ona wo so
dia wa office wa bedu so abetim dia kwa abanta mi hia na ya why Mr. Onko jinjina kwa so ko jinjina kwa so
yes sir
one ko to dia no survive
unfortunately ko fo bi jina bonten a e me so ma bo di so mu hia
ko fo be na si mu hia obo te say I'm not to say.
Boss, she. Na mo obi a mu ja bonte a mo so mu hwehwe nipa no. Ama ka jon se nipa no esa. Wana ma mo kwase mu esa.
O mu ade o. We shout to you.
Ma ka ya sa mo ntwa mo abonte.
Hey, family. Come try.
Next time mo ya sa de ni.
Hey, shout to you. O friend. Me chwa ko so mo ya. Mo se boso. Tete wanya tena betena so wo dodo nyesa bosse be na o se Amanda ati so brefi nyesa o betena si na wo fili Say combo. Oh, she ni madi a ufi ghetto. Dia na wo ye no.
Mo beba baby kwa de na mo kan kire me na mo fiti ya na mo ba.
We e fro kra ofa. E fro kra ofa. Ya ka be afri o. Oh, yeah, chapter, and by your Kevin boy name fall down flat. Nation near the mouth. What you see now, who get to work, flower fall. Everyone cry. Just a war fall. Yeah, we can't show. We are knock up. We are banu, Boko. Who dear, oh, yeah. What's it? Talk. And my Amanda pray, and your qua. I said, the Amanda Kain, and no crown, yeah. Who have thrown correct who thrown in Panaco. And he say, Abeshana, who did the picture? Yes, sir. I check an apaya. Yeah, this rubber. I may catch on. We just say, we got left with him. Ultimate survey, a belly, I'm having to answer. Yeah. Canada lock. Can I enjoy you? Akabenezer paradise.
Even a salute.
I'm a catch on your way. Just 3 days.
We're already doing it. Amanda. I'm fier. I know what I'm doing. Debbie. Oh.
I made Debbie. Me and Mrs. J. Don't be Sammy. Debbie. Send me to a course. I mean, adult education. It's nothing huge. What's here and a baby to me, but it's nothing huge. At least to be able to read and write, because at the end of the day, Miss Ryan can make office. It's your job. You are the man in that. School now open here, baby. Just call me. Any rooms? I have about 6 rooms empty. No petrol and enough for phone chain. Why are you doing this?
I love you so much.
I love you more.
Dear, I won't share my menu. In fact, if we are seeing about dollars, I do me about.
Baby, are you okay?
Are you okay?
I didn't know you were original. What is going on?
If I say we can't see picture.
Oh, boy. Baby, you know, say baby, I'll be to me a cash, but whatever it is can wait. My dear son, I'm not for you.
No, if I say we know it, come on.
Babe, it can wait. I'm not paying back a son. So I'm saying, I'm sorry to my question. Eh? Mr. Yanko Dampacho. Baby Yanko Damission. Whatever it is, baby, I seem be anyone. It is if I go home. There, baby, I wait me and solve it. What do I say? Baby, a tip here, we can solve it. So this.
Me no one name come out me home to me.
Baby, no, no. What do you know? You be doing come. What do I say? My mentor, Mr. My, whatever the problem is, we'll solve it. Yeah? Please. Yeah? Drink out. Yeah? Oh, Joseph. It can't wait. Tell me, baby. I'll just go to work and come back. We'll talk about it. Yeah? Yeah, cool. Don't hurt you. Yeah? What's it? As much as you said, maybe maybe cry.
Oh.
Right.
Yeah.
Good morning.
Morning. How are you doing?
I'm okay. Yourself?
Yeah, I'm okay. You know. Oh. Yeah, my family am prepared.
Oh, no, I'm okay. I'm okay. I just have about 30 minutes to just be heading out. Listen, yesterday I told you, Sandra, you sounded very worried. What is going on? Tell me.
Oh.
And how much you say you wanted to tell me something? Yeah? What's how much you told me you wanted to tell me something? And I know make a show say adiasa inteno. Nkadia nankeaka.
Oh.
Whatever it is.
But we ain't baby.
What do you mean say it's nothing?
Oh, Enya. But Kaka Nampese, Mekane say, me nipa bia, the bia, ya me so quiet. Me din, but no nampese me no can sebea. Dear, I say, how am I sit here? And yeah, bonnet quanso. I know nampese the catcher.
What are you talking about?
Oh, yeah.
Obia Humachimbe for a Mukwa's original home drink, Bosu tea. You wanted to tell me something so bad. That's what I'm talking about.
I know another person may catch you, but you say, as a me person.
Oh, Joe, what I please stop.
Oh, listen, let me say sorry. Let me say me how I will sit here. And you're a bonnet so. Why? You're not bonus. Come on.
Yeah, sure.
Oh, yeah. I'm just saying how I miss it here.
There is nothing bothering you.
Oh, they are why me to me, Dean. I'm at what's on. Just sometimes we go on and it's one of you, Dean, and I know.
Right.
And to how I miss it here. And yo, I'm sorry. And yo, he be on the metro. Yeah.
Anyways, what's the idea? Let me just rush to the office.
To everyone I call. Baby. It's she me hot.
Mighty baby. My family in your lunch, why? Okay, bye. Okay, you too.
Okay, bye.
You just said to me for my own. I just see the flower on fire. Yeah, my make us in trouble. I've been quite a watch the same crack. 20 years, a betram. A barbetram, yeah. Oh, yeah, Gajawati. Yeah, remember so we are Gaja. We are JOHNBULL. We are Jumbu, what? Now, over, sir. That means we need this, sir. Yeah, my make us in trouble. So we say we are what? Undu baby. So why can say, but don't quite. More bruise mine. If I won't buy, yes, sir. Yeah. Undu baby. And I'm a catch on. Ya baba ko. Yenu, ye manento some present. Ye badia, ye ni besoja. Ye dia fiso.
Azo wo ya we se bibia betmesi. So woni mi suban mi se bibia betmesi de. Me kasa on sa boda de wo remani sa. Me wo daga wo kon ho one day pa wo sa boy.
Last chance. Yaya. Be careful. Yaya, be careful. Joy. Yes, sir.
Yes. I say Murphy. Wanga Sam is all ya to Mamma Pin. I ran each. Oba on show. Gianna Odia. Gianna no remedy. Win him red. And I got some.
Tomorrow didn't even. Yeah, was a fama. Fred Abraham besides was no right. Yeah, red is I believe say red no say it here. Jay. Saman. Jay. Was my mom red? Did you read?
Family. What prepare madam food on every?
I prepare Caribbean.
The first never be seen because you're sorry I call you my wada.
That's not your business.
What did I make a children?
And I'm saying that's not your business.
No, I did back on semester. DC and the slow. Shana wa mo madam amane. Shana ne madam. Ninkomo, I will PPR. The old me and come in no meal on them.
Mr. Pa. Why? Because me adao, me feel you. And I'm who's when they are. Try and come in.
Yo. Wagwan. Just how long will our person me young? There was from some yellow mawana. Huh? Massa, first down, Buffia, Timmy, Joe, Timmy. First down, Buffia, eh? Me catch your say. So, who to swat them 1 minute flab 110 Buffia, 1 the ball. And a first day, Corona, Miss Helbus, I say, oh, hi, catch him, say, baby. Maybe a killer. Maybe a killer. If you ain't as a mamma for me a killer and family yellow. Debbie, dear Nappers all young. Bad man, dear Nappers all young. But do you fear me? Mahumba, I mean, I remember woman, you so. Show me my ye. Show me my ye, not to tell me my ye. Now, blah. Now, Uma be big again, and I say, Uma be big again, lay my house. A bet you so fear, eh? A bet you sounds on whom I say that. Me my point down. Me free street oh. Bad man, no one a free street oh. Then you free streets. And you have show color.
Bad man.
Shady right. John Johnson, let's hear me. John Johnson, let's hear me. Oba Hanasin out here. Huh? Oba Hanasin out here.
Bad man.
That's a man. Shuma mama. Oba Hanasin out here. I'm sure no man will turn no way out. But John Sophia. Oh.
Bad man. Mr. Nyabotri. Why? Would you come in and you know? Matidi a walk in. But we know ye be almost sick of being a baby Jimmy on I say. A small money being shed on your amount to be a year.
So, if small money, give them a. If small money, give them a. Says Kakitwa, come on, wine. Huh? And I make a remember Yaro. What to me, shake a shame, woman, metroso. Me a cash man. And I'm a ding kaka, say, me now call out fear. Menini, me a buba. Se me biamin fie so kira wa me abuba hweme ha eno kura be dia dance ye hweme ha no ma ka cho no now de ye don't things bia ofie be John say
so when I make an eyes sikase
masa enchi se mu kura nche me kura me bu ofo enchi se me nche hwi mu kyereme I don't need any explanation.
I know explanation.
Masa shut up.
But I prepare madam for me. Why? I prepare madam again this show.
Fucking man.
The time as soon I'll be going to meet. Why?
Poor damn papa. Then one of my catch on. And one of my catch on. So I do money in a buyer. I do money in a do bubble.
It's okay.
Oh, fuck off. Like you're coming to shake me.
Yeah.
Yeah, yes, him. Me show lines now on fire. If he did him, me the animal.
Check out who said get to me, I'm do back get to. Keep me nipa no me shutao. And also shut me. Keep baby a Juno. Keep. Me cast much of minty jai. And you might get nature, mammy no. Minty me.
Yeah.
Minty me for bonny nigger no.
Yeah. The two me saboneno. And oh, me you say, bra. Oh, yeah, for Nana. The way you been. The wood me ya de bini. Yeah. The wood yan. Oh, yeah, my den inside form. Hey, what but you say, Elcon Bon, who feel it, yes, sir. It will feed your client. And I'm also my bag too. Now, when the baby see, now, listen to what with me. Yeah. So, 1 year, then Ankasa, and you be in a few. I won't say yes. To me, yeah, what, yeah.
Key Sagu, tea, Sagu, Miss Srow. Shaky, me do back get to 1 pound. Can you mean a dear be home?
Into refuse me no case get to work you see free all. How many times in your commission check ni padu to? I have check ni padu do I quite take up my mum sama back. And you can get to one a year fana. Get to one year live upon your ya na. Okay. We have a family. Your family. Get to one year good okay. Me no me no trans say you perceive free all. Okay. Boame na me wow. Me fa boni nigga no. Okay. Girl no she me nua ya no about to say. And the girl no she me nua ba in school. Me ni my lifestyle change. And no me no na trans say nya kontu kura ibetu. A free get to her. Remember, a free get to her. Ghetto living is not easy. See me abuano me nya chance say okay. Boame na me mboa. Okay, boame na me mboa. Help me, I help you. You are my brother. See me catch you the yepa.
Me too ase. Na hwe betray a wo dey betray Amanda. E pani see ya wan pa no. Oh, because you need to also. And you pan a doorso. So de me cheno. Any you say bla be yes ambition. But you wouldn't like you Amanda idea. Say you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yanwene ye dear. A choir ye be faso ye be free get to all. And to why na wo so good na no obeja akọ so agovetonic.
Yeah.
Huh?
See,
when a war pa so ya. Obeja no akọ so agovetonic. Never obi any all. Sheki mesra wo ye me nipa. Ge no pese oboa mi jai enuma bebrede to me na so opapa companies. Okay? And fan se ge no boa me metimi de watu kwan. And fan se ge no me nya baby si mo ge ne ntwen a. Me metimi aboa wo. And fan se true ge no me no me no e betimi abaye oga. It's okay. Help me, I help you.
Yeah. Me no far down for a chair. So what I say. And I'm also bag to the wakani na matiasi. Na dia mwana au pay free me ho. I meet me here there. Get your bow.
Okay. And moi me pay free wa me say. Ubeti me no a convince wo. Na eni me bi e koso bia, rundown bia, e po bia wo mo bo bia no. Ubeti me ama me info no. Like bia na decision bi obe take bia. Because Van Damme, I don't trust Van Damme. A pobia Van Damme no need deal with intimate. A pobia Van Damme bebo bia. Try so obeti me ama me ma swat. They are treating more free ho. Okay? Na po me do be too kwan. Okay? Me do be too kwan.
Yeah. Wakamati. You know say we are friends.
Yeah, I know.
And through you, and mommy who sang for phoning.
It's true.
So what can say we are many problem. They say we no banana that's you.
You're not different. No one.
So me show what me friends is.
No, but I try say fat me lie no. Ma be any between me and you.
He said
we live together. Huh? I see you later. Okay. I see you later. Okay. Think about me.
All right. We'll meet.
That's right.
Amanda. Joseph dear was sissy can you break one. Joseph was sissy can you break one.
What's up? What's going on today?
And some Joseph name can make my dad young woman in Tiasi. Oh, but Jenny said Joseph will dress it. Oh, no, yeah. Meme for my dream, man. Not your me make a piano. Jana do opus with ye piano. Me supporting the nye. Na empono and sema ye be planning. Ewo camp one. Meme manya day. En who the echo. Non so who they will be sealed to Nana. Amanda. And you're pretty fucking.
Wow.
And come on, me dear. Me, I'm a Tessomano and I'm a Tino. The work catch me in and I make a chow. Say, Joseph, I not say, oh no, dear, but be a word to need your conning. I wanted me buy, eh? Oh, no. But be a word to know. Ye dear cousin away the Wessie. I say, me, but yes, Yamana. Me money, the year plan camp will be an amede. Me can't channel. No, ye, Miss Mede, me ye. Amanda. Joseph, dear. I'll see a pepper in the faso. And yes, sir. But me, dear Doctor.
Joseph. Chese jame kwanya usana. Me nkofa de papa mbra na nyina entafre ho a wo yi mafiri.
See. Dina pasie.
No na chiro say. De be plan bi abeka chire.
Kan wa nyina no. Ono be so chire say Van Dam no e fast. Ti bi bia ni Van Dam na e dey. E de be banchi me me dey. Me tie de be bia. Na me man information.
I'm office all your joint is on no.
Joseph.
Wow.
You are pushing us to the wall.
Na say me Joseph walk na say love something na me fast say mo eku no. But say Joseph person chire me streeter. Ma chane say me a gangster.
So Amanda Jenny.
They never first street level.
We are shimmy for
no bagger wire.
Assassin, yes, he does over my yanas of my vandama. I quay be fed and new man of that quay. I do bonny going to him. I do bonny quite a good to him. I see how I see a scapa is a dear quazo. Walk one on him steady. Conna quite the brow walk or cow, a duo.
Amanda, tea me sway. Amanda nyabutere. And I'm in a dawa who fell from me, you know. Were you in your line? No. Amanda, tea me. Amanda, tea, nyabutere, Amanda. Mr. Pressure now would mammy no pressure need too much. Amanda. Minim de ose nyina minim meet you Amandi but Matthias say bia ma be sha na mebu na egu ne ma so Mr. Amanda nya botre mami why Amanda pressure need too much sadly you didn't nya botre mami why Amanda Mr. Nyabutre mami why minim de me udi nyabutre mati
Me say elephant you.
Yeah.
Elephant me.
Yeah.
Hey, hey, sorry. Obroni betanasi, obroni bra.
Oh, yeah. Ah,
obroni betanasi.
Ma tia la fete.
Ma metanasi.
Hey, broni.
Hello.
Oh, you to move on. How ni asa se mi
You know how to.
Ni asa se mi tu. Ni asa.
Obroni afaba.
Let me main line out there.
Usual na. Hala.
What you drink? Can't we go to a different place? Why must they be here though? Why do you like posh places? Sometimes I saw of streets now who send the streets and so street life and so zero. That's asking so I street or
Abba. I'm on it. Yo.
Hold on, here be
Kasa.
Besides, whatever I want to discuss, listen. Whatever I want to discuss, they call posh places and I was so to be better. But Hassan Ghetto, oh yeah, or more you know upon them from Pade, you know, be a TV, but shout to be there. Amanda, I am not comfortable. I know you are not sorry to be put to Manami and be a fashion mode.
Come and sit down. Hey,
listen, I want to discuss.
Abatino, sit down.
Be on your shade, just relax. Oh, you're okay. You're red no after. See, whatever I want to discuss with you, it's very important. Isn't it? I say, me can't be a chair or be any more better. Whatever is going on, I want to share. But you know I love you, and I'm your best friend. And she said, "Baby, possible. Baby, bonny, be possible. Abraboma, me she say, I didn't say answer." Rebecca said, "Oh, I knew about it. You understand? It's about oh, challenge just I didn't come. It's about Joseph. Oh my God, concentrate on me. It's about Joseph. I don't know how you take it, but me powers him. See now, maybe can't say natural. Once I catch Joseph, you're my old schoolmate. Me, I knew nothing about him. Me, I knew no crap. I told you that I knew nothing about him. I saw so name Suban. Come on, old school, right? But he really, you know, you're not about to be bam 3 days ago. No, many discussing about Joseph Green. Eh? Yeah, Joseph Green. Be must say, woman, Joseph, I worry what matter you. What are you talking about? Me need pain in that story. What? Why ne beti me agya na yire ne maho? Ababede will be in chain for months. Almost getting to a year. What be that? Sister, I mean, I get say you want my best. You have my best interest at heart. But listen, I know this person. I have lived with this person. My name is I even sometimes pick his calls. Women are picking a call sometimes. I'm talking about Obion in an anti 4 years after school. Also, in the Zuba, but now 2-3 months, also in the Zuba. Master, Nipa, when you want to face them, who's on yet. How you know? No one's a bit me pretend 1 year because of something. Oh, please. What are you saying? Listen, me, woman, make a wasm. Me, dog. Say, baby, come on, I mean to me, she said, and say, remember, Opa Pebe will not some more catch him. He urged me to help you and protect you. Me know be maybe say nyoma basa enko so. Me na me di Joseph by. But what I'm trying to say is Joseph onye nipa na me feel say oye na me nim say oye papa na me de ne brewo.
Simply because we old school friend aba. Abeka che so we yire ne ma.
Na wonim so ahoye ani be ye nti obi betimi abese obi de ache. Na woman ahoye asese nipa no onim po say Joseph won chen ofi ha. Onim Joseph mo hwe. We were only discussing and Joseph asemi ebem. Onim who say Joseph for Barbie say no because he be or jealous and I
was so na yire ne ma no.
Or say or yire name or more kintam. You think I'm joking? So holy. Me say me so was so holy. Or say baby listen
babe, listen.
Who say Joseph for cooking or bob bononia? Or yen your masi wo.
I don't even get what you're saying right now. What be cooking? Obetimi ada sorry for months are on for that. Oh, baby, metimi akwa adwuma ba. E ba not as well. know why you always have cocaine at a. Oh, listen. Amanda, why now when I'm also me home Joseph, but and I said, oh yeah, you're doing too much, honestly. You're doing too much. I mean, you sorry. Give me a you're not sick. Hi there. Oh, Cecilia. Oh, send Embo too. I thought saying can't be over check her car. Okay, then no, don't worry, I'll see you. I'll see you. Why? Yeah, my why? I love you too. Bye. Okay, bye. Okay, Joseph. Babe, Intino. Oh, there, your best opa yan kasa wa phone so what? Baby. Yan kasa wa phone so. What I say? But more than a friend. Me just said Joseph bedroom. What's on me?
Frema, me know that.
Manda, this time I do bloody time. Because you be a chebim. We be fresh, you know.
Segro. Mentigani Tiana.
Well, Jimmy, got not one. I'm a boy, I'm a pure chote. We are ready for the ball.
Come fine.
I seen me branch me so.
Hi, thank you. So the last time I saw you standing here, maybe so what is going on? And then you wanted to say something. The next day, maybe so catch him say right?
Oh, baby.
Is there anything that you want to tell me that you're afraid to tell me that you feel I need to know?
We did not be here in the hall, but now a criminal problem here. Why?
Oh, here. Just have a question. Oh, your name?
Me. How, baby?
Umarida.
Debbie.
Listen. I sit now, I know no. I tell you what needs to be told. I let you see everything clear-colored. I don't hide anything from you. Is there anything that you want to tell me that you feel there is a need for me to know?
Me know what you has to say. Say me what girl and say me what you don't ma. Uncle woman.
And then ma means sure say me know what. Because the most dangerous thing is to live with someone I won't trust in. Said you would Jimmy Dino. Let me trust you. What did you want to tell me on that day?
Oh, no problem.
Okay, I'll see.
Frema, are you okay? Wanna catch you?
Obi Onim was saying, said someone who knows you better than I do.
Amanda, now.
Is Amanda supposed to know that you're married? Is Amanda supposed to know that you're married?
Famille. Famille.
Madam.
Bruh. Joseph, fine.
Madam, I'm saying no appointee.
For a month, how are you there?
I don't know.
For friend of mine.
My friend of mine.
Me.
Sorry, madam.
Friend of mine says, yeah.
Oh, hello, babe. Okay. Okay.
No, I don't want to.
Oh, me sure na flower no be say me friend.
2 days. Maybe Sam was say what you want, and then you said no. Emma will be say why na catch me. Ebo Amanda dey me boa.
No right.
My friend Amanda bed 3 days in here, so 2 days in here. On pick me call. What is going on? Can you talk to me? What is going on? And then of course, no, what is it?
Babe.
Look, Massa. If there is something going on that I need to know, Mr. Staticasa, babe, no. Why is Amanda not picking up my calls? Listen, missing me bizarre question, just answer me. What is going on? I said Amanda Akoka. I didn't tell Amanda my friend Aonfa. Would you answer me? Listen, I'm not joking. What has my make a no? If there is something that you have done. Hello? Hello? What can you be?
Hello? 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 Babe. Babe. Hello, babe. Hello, babe. Babe, open up for me, babe. Hello, babe. Famille. Famille. Hello, babe. Hello, babe. Hello, babe. Hello, babe. Babe. Babe, open up for me, babe. Baby. Yeah, I feel I'm equal. Listen, because I'm about no school.
Okay.
We don't mean check that. To make one. Why? Take care. Hello.
Famille. Famille.
Madam.
Bruh. When was the last time Amanda brought?
Amanda. Madam, Amanda dear, Obahache. Obahache.
Me encourage you, Mama, me see me chi.
Debbie. Obahache. And Madam, Clara, me say, me know Uncle Mokla say me know di. I think I need to declare something. Except me clear be wrong. Madam, na say no me nim mo fia Uncle Fo bitimi ba strange people. Me nim omo.
Omo hwehwe hwan?
Omo ba omo hwehwe boss. Mo ba mo din ka ba first one. Me ko hu so mo jira bontin. Na me ba ka che boss. Ko Fo bi show. Madam, me twa mani na Uncle Fo ni gina inside.
Omo be ref dem.
Omo wure ha. Na me ko agime sa agime nan.
It's that na we won't framing can share me.
Madam won say okay, always be how we busy. Na asanya baby when you obedi nkomo no bibi
to say
something strange.
Do I look strange?
I say enye ze se mebe wani mu abedi nkomo saa age afra bibi so
chai de wo keka no me no na tifi ha enti nke te ha na se nka bibi asia enye me no mienu na ye ho beka enti se bibi koso na se wo hunu bibi a why don't you even draw my attention
madam make say say ahoma kura na bia so
ene nam bia so
se nyen nkomo bi na madam wo be ba abe fa saa le ni mu a madam ntimi meten wo san kire na de sa kan wo kwan say no wa ha se ya mu so ma se wuram na next day wo ma se wuram san kofo na wuram
na no ankasa we na Joseph na we
madam ni nyina yo wo fie o ni nyina yo wo fie
a o hu
ni di nkomo
na cheso ne mu microphone
a tim so
nkomo be sa na yo mu di
nkomo no ase nkomo na koye ebebuom ombebi kasa na koye ebebuom ha sala ni bi and the last one the touch 3 madam emimre be one say 12 na me say me be sia koda madam me biru amu say oyi boss e ja wo yeko anadu be to na boss dey by this time dey
oye dey o
madam oye dey timi drama me ti ku na ka say Amanda nya botre mama Amanda misi nya bot dem ti ani nya botre
uti dini yes Amanda
o say Amanda ai Amanda
o ni bia wanti din o say onya botre for dem
enu na sinu madam mama dwemu ye mentanta course minima Amanda kro na komodie so say Amanda nya botre mama nya botre
uti ni ye
yes dem ti ani nya botre
Amanda
nya botre
yes sure
madam I can't lie
enyanyom na no to
enyanyom madam o ko so a me hu so ye ko ana do be 12 wada no be jina wo ye ko
Ore mate ore anointing am front to the mate and wetimako
it's very strange
but you should have told me
madam o say one kasa say o me fientem na senyan komo bi na madam be frem so ni mi di e be fa sa menya advantage no edi nkomo a madam mitimi no wundi nkomo sa
Matthias ode mate medasi
timeti ako and I hope everything is okay everything is clear can I offer you some juice or
if I may and de me ni mood nim kura for wagro no kokko na
if anything you can told me I'm the help in this house
mo be na bitimi dey boy
say me na no dey
Say na me
it's madam ene
mate okay
Hey. And the French gangster about Ghetto. Now they had your money on her. Oh, Tony, man, me run inside. Me, mama.
Amanda, Tiana, we understand. Amanda, Tiana, we understand.
Then I'm here.
Are they?
Then I'm here.
I don't know, go catch you free, Masema. Me, worry. Huh?
Unya hu hwe afena mbe hu di na kase afena mbe hu di e che so sa e fi ho no me de ko se ko pesi kabra na emfa mo ebra o ko ho akoka che se o gangster o na onim nya san wako hu adodo je fresh thing so una person we enjoy life na wo ja me mo get to me am yi adwuma ne to na so no wo pese wo ja me wa ha onu mama ne warning so on twe ne hu free so wan twe ne hu am free one we say that so be wu eja na anato no so be wu eja se so me no nyam be wu dia de eba so de wo nya hu hwe o
Amanda, get be na woman get no. If woman is free again, say me ma wo nkola 3. Amanda, me ma wo.
Get ben. Get ben obi wa get on woni madwen wonti me nyisu na adwen da. Una wo ye gangster na wakọ no wantimi use adwen amasa. Me ma adwen mu do. Ma adwen mu do papa. Nti ene calls na afena mo be receive na kese. Na kese afena mo be receive na kese.
Amanda, sisi dia na upasa menye.
Afena wo kasa.
Dia na Amanda upasa menye.
Afena wo kasa. Now listen. What I want you to do is I feel no me na me de wo call because of Sika. Sisi apam no twa me Sika no. Me mpebie. I need my man back. I need you back here in the ghetto. It's in patch ko. Na ko sa nyoma. Na sa betina ha. Me mpe Sika ni biem. And I'm a catcher.
You need me back.
Yes.
Mati.
Consist on your bra, what I will call Sakwa and Quasasem. No go for one drink by gangster shit what has it. Cabete. Concert walk where I could not call concert where John Libby. They all call Sakwa found one drink. Foolish boy.
Amanda, wait a mister. And yet, me and Beya Cassatin Bia. Some you be beyond me fache me wate. I mean, say, Nana may baby home. Yet, dear Granyan ne. Na mayo bibi what me ashe me call a name for 2 good weeks. Also won't pick me call. Bon even my sister. A dear na wun you met me ayo won't me fanche me. Mayo bibi na and I say be a me kase bi na me kan ye and an ye bi na me ye na man ye sister. I am telling you that I'm sorry.
Oh, me I'm fine. Oh. You've done nothing. I am because I'm nice and I'm very busy, Kaka.
Amanda, I know you don't talk like that.
How will you say that?
I know you don't do that. You are busy. You are busy to answer my calls.
I didn't say that. My busy me running errands we near busy.
And even that aside, okay, I say maybe Kakra me safari. Who say catch me say Joseph. To me for say o yere ne ma na mentwe me ho ne ade no o kai se to me for ma me kra me sign it twifa so ne ade ai could you believe say me wo fie Joseph no kra no wo ho me wo fie amenya ko hwan ama me nti wonu agimi kunu no wonu awonso yo ba ni bi wonu agimi kunu ememu miensa wutime gibe ma boso na enuabo nyina ba mu sister Joseph gina ho eje ko no hello gbara Emma me bisa papa yi bisa no won mfe kana no to mu se enye no kreda sister Mr. Amanda sometimes what they you funny some suned a foot will be when I was with the mommy saying me sister I'm open tell me please would they won't be catch me because they are causing for the past almost a week I am not okay please I am not okay.
This is actually the reason why I'm not feel because me feel say send me no tea as a good friend. Baby, I'm no free how long we've been together. Na matia sem na me can't I'm not sure now what cheer for me so I realize okay be I will share be man to know if where both of us are coming from. Tip na me who say you want to choose him over me. Me matia sem me per was him to my back na be catch up. Na be can't I'm not sure man who simple so when your course was be ye dua ne man until what cheer for me so. Anyway, Sanet's here. And Miss Anna Metzer, no, I saw a year old mammy and son on walking down pose and he for baby.
See me tell you na me say na me beti ho nche first. Na man free wo feel. Ana say me buy and also to tell wo wa dwe ma.
Hey. Say Joseph to me hwenya me anim pa kana no na no tum. Ebe da me nchen ne me da. Di meduane say di meduane. Ma de echi ma me hwe bra yi hwe na busuafo nyina ka ho. Na so di we di me a. Na nya me betu akwa ne ka wo. Na nya me betu ya ne ka wo.
Na wo be
me so. More days ah.
Na be hu me ma suban. Ma de say ade omo ye normal. Anyway, so what do you intend doing?
Sister, me name dear Maye. How can a person like me fall for such I don't get it.
I don't actually know if you still need advice from me.
I need it. Why would I come here? Why would I come? I say maybe there was sister.
Maybe Samia, asama make a chair and say right away. Odu fear, man pack na man on san na man on feel hongo. Because we want to say nyadwen papa bi no the ba feel say po worry pon na give you buy no be pay wasema. Like he has more time I was saying ko can see we nyina eden. Actually cause to me free baby no akopi baby na bi wa pani pa na sem. But when Timmy and come, we actually or they are security there. It means so many papa. I would advise you say, oh, drew fear, man, this is an area. That you free buy and on sample. That's the only thing I could advise you. Nano, what's also the thing? On canocre. One call.
Don't matter. I mean, at the end of the day, no worry there. Oh, Jaden, like you
exactly. Or Jaden, what's your so Jaden? Well, I was one for Papa and my Jeopardy and Shansa.
Amanda, what I no cry there. Some mistakes, people, why am I here? But I don't know.
Forget about it. Just go and ask him out of your house. That's the only thing I can tell you. I was doing something. I wanted to meet someone. So I'll talk to you later.
Sister, I'll come back. Me friend wafa wadaroma. Amanda, unim said ya young professor. Uye me nua prekope. What you say? Boni bimpo na me ya unua na me fremane bo ha we ya me pe na atwa so na akeke adwan che young ne ko. Emfa bibia anhye wo mu se na be ma betima betete me no ntem.
Oh, me de bibia anhye me no, bibia anhye me no, bibia anhye me. I was just
oh dear, my tinting me from. Why?
As I mean, it's actually na me ya dance.
Frema. Don't let me over there with your more, sir. Right side, eh? Frema. Sorry. Sorry, me uncle inside. Oh, my God, you sir. Huh? Sorry, me uncle inside.
Listen, no me try inside in Pugachina no wakasa. Ma told me boss ya dream home. And now they are meeting me what's in the beer. Me be ma kuma de akuma pa eni hia. But me am here said the name ekona. Minti me. Anyone to nephew. I was even waiting inside the Bechina me with this uncle. I decided to spend only God knows how long with you. But how I name ekona. Enya dia betimi ato asupim. Ti dodo na ye na yemfancy here.
Frema. She amen kan simbencho. Go now free see phone so. Se me na menena wo mienu mi ensa me hwe nkora na medwane abetan wo nyina. Frema again wo boa wo. ɛnyɛ nokorɛ ɛnyɛ turu me menim baabi a nsɛm de firi ba ɛyɛ Amanda ɛna maagɛ no yɛ saa hwɛ ma me adwembɔne nni me tiri mu ma wo mehu wo no me lifestyle change asesa mehyɛ berɛ bebree meka asɛm bi akyerɛ wo na nokora wɔ asɛm no mu no ɛna meka akyerɛ wo Frima, Amanda, or my girlfriend.
What do you mean by that?
Frima, Amanda, I'm a girlfriend, I'm an entity. So when you Amanda and me fear.
Of course, Amanda and do fear. Now, or your girlfriend, no? I can't say.
I'm a girlfriend of an entity, not the me fear. Amanda catch me say na down for me. Never am any papa whisker. Only guy on entity. To me memra. I'm pretending. Semi do. Na me no metra. Yenjiji wecha pade ni usika. Frima, me buy no. In fact, Papa ya wo yeme no. Empohwe mi nuaba. Utwa no fees. Udome. Frima mi ntimi fa bone ndi wo. Ntimi nya bone. Anya pamu a wo pamu me na yeme ya. Emu Frima me ka che ose. Oyonko Amanda no hweniye.
Enti Amanda catch me say wa worry enti na wo fa kwan bi so pese egu n'anim ase anase de.
So no be catch us me ma worry. Enu nti na me catch us girl na wo frɛ ya osisi na Amanda ye papa. So ye Amanda. Amanda nyo ba no domi. Senka Amanda domia. Anaso baby no do be ma. Ora ka chime so. Adene man yonko ba. Amanda ompeme. Tifrima. So soon timine mentina brima. Mate. Medasi.
hurts me.
Frema, reach me your bonnet down. Fetch me. I'm so sorry.
I just...
Frema. Frema. Frema.
Just,
Frema. You okay? Huh? Frema, who you okay?
I suspect something. Except for the past 1 week, morning sickness really had a day. Me tea, me da, me fed.
Frema, I'm so sorry. So, there's a beer from a bonnet, Sammy. So,
I'm even confused. I'm confused.
Remember, door.
I love you too, but I am confused.
Freeman, don't be confused.
Adjoad son.
Chemi and me here. Chinanswe.
Maybe bisa wasam. Na no krebi won't be ampeso o kacheme.
Okay.
It's true. You know it's nice having you upon it.
Yeah, Tabby.
I've been very good to you.
Yes.
He said the assembly piano. Take me as your sister. As I always say, be truthful to me. Only Mamanda.
Yes, Mini Mamanda. I've seen her around. She used to be in a relationship with my brother, Joseph. But then the last time I asked him, he said they are no longer together. So, yeah, that's my brother's ex-girlfriend.
You know Amanda?
I know her. I know her very well.
How does she look?
She's dark. She's thick. Yeah.
Wow. Wow. They used to be in a relationship.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Wow, okay. Thank you very much. I'll call you. I'll call you if anything. That's why I made you come here. I wanted to find out this from you.
Mm-hmm.
So
Is
thank you for
everything okay?
Yeah, everything is fine. Thank you so much for being truthful.
Okay.
Okay, so I'll see you.
Okay.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
In fact, Amanda surprises me too much. The kind of relationship we had. We were almost like sisters. Say you Pierre Boateng say nyeme na me bi manwaka tru bi se me nuani a. And I say madam for keka, they wouldn't even know the difference. Obi a metimi ne wotina say what I buy for myself I buy for you. Everything you need I give you. My dad, oh Lord, may his soul rest in peace. My dad could even advise me. Say, for Madam Fortunase, for Uniatinase, dear no person in a brabway, in peace camano. Timiko Cruz caname the amount. Amanda, what do you want to do with your life? And after all these years, I'm in near Amanda Diakro. I don't even know where she stays. Okasa Amanda mfonko fia. No the wolf namha, no do namha, oh, me ko baby, oh, my friend, oh, me yes say, oh. Why me though? Why do this to me? Why? Me of all people. Speak of the devil.
Gruma.
Yeah, Amanda.
Akwano je wana hapo mwana.
Oh, so mama neko.
Sasa nya wari pen wa wari yo.
Oh boy.
Yeah. Wani mama kuma kufo na outside marriage, you know, different.
Emma 4.
Canada, Emma 4 na sawo different.
Hey.
We will match. Last one if I don't know will match away.
Yes,
I'm a paya no be catch me.
And here now unya sa information.
Yeah, and I'm so my phone control. Shit. Don't come on can you.
Let's say the money can go 10.
A book cry. Hey. Ding sang so when you.
Sir.
Hey, and I'm a bit dear dance music for what it.
Mati me vune.
I'll put it in your room, Mr. Wife.
Mati.
How are you, bye?
Mati, okay, I'm so sad. Bye. I don't even know what to believe anymore. Yes, wow, 3, wow, 2, wow, 4, wow, 1. Only math 3 was a 4 now.
Shriba, you know, this is Shaman Day. What?
And why didn't you said you can't be soon, my JD? I will still have to make my own investigations because now, as it stands, I don't even know if I have to trust you. I don't trust Amanda, I don't trust you. I don't know.
Trust me.
What do you mean I should trust you?
Trust me.
What do you mean by trust me? Why should I trust you? Have you given me a reason to trust you?
It's not true.
Love is a beautiful thing.
Purchase your tracks today.
Mama, Papa, come listen one story that I have for you. I met one beautiful lady when I went to bank to get money for you. She too fine.
I told you. I told you. It's positive. I'm pregnant. Hello.
Wow. That's nice.
Of course, at 6 weeks.
That's nice. Hey.
Yeah.
It's very good.
Oh my.
I never took that a joke.
That's how you're right.
Oh, you're bad, you are. That's nice.
I'm tired. Yeah. You're going inside it now.
Go inside.
You're a daddy.
That's this Charlie. And you may be CPR. Miss.
Man. You know, in everything, right from the beginning, you knew I trusted you, right?
Yes.
When I loved you and trusted you so well. And you see, and I told you, I wasn't going to take your word for it. I made an investigation. I asked, maybe someone you get it. And you need to call up the son. And she also confirmed, Sam, only Amanda called out. It's a baby, Miss Rowe. Let's make this as a new chapter in our lives. Like, I do not want this whole
whatever no should to happen again, I'm begging you, and not even in condition. Miss Ron.
I'm sure, sir, yes, and you be disciplined. Now, Odrona me woman, so Odrona, a trace of Odrona back.
And don't let me lose the trust again.
Trust you. Trust you.
I trust you.
Trust me.
Love is a beautiful thing. It can never be seen, but you can feel it within. Yeah. It's a natural thing. The boss of sweet, sweet love is forcing me to sing. Girl, I'm trying to sing. I'm fighting to win your heart. I'm dying. What is happening to me, baby? Girl, you mean a lot to me. I will take you overseas. So tell me how your knees. Girl, I'm trying to sing. I'm fighting to win your heart. I'm dying.
No. Please have a seat.
Sorry, sir.
Madam. Pacho, when you're home.
Hi.
Hi. I don't know what that.
Hey. Yeah.
Sorry.
We don't watch it.
Yes, sir. So, I'm there. You can't know see my fan on Michelle.
Wow, perfect, right?
So, they been about feeling my friend.
I know,
say I have a problem.
Oh, no. How can it be a problem?
Said you see anything about behind my show up. To be an advisor with the woman, I'll see his soon. About Joseph. Do you know Pamon?
I want to say, Bravin to me, to everything.
And then he left?
Oh. So, the name of you into no way, I'm sure. Daruma. Minty, when you will be coming, men, Jenemo, so your belly will be a man, will be the man you made to Miss Rowe. No, correct.
Just like that.
Oh, I'll come back 4 days in April.
Wow.
4 days, yeah.
Wow. Wow. You said, Bianca, but you won't in time, baby.
No entry move.
What is happening? I shut down for loose out.
Oh, oh, to be so set me no daisica. I just were behind an animal contract. We don't need contract, I mean, worry.
Wow.
I'm telling you, there. Man, I mean, no walk when I'm seeing me.
Oh, because me try some friend, or by my friend, won't.
Oh, try so friend. I do baby, I could do that.
Now, because my baby, I said, come with them, your friend did nothing. Oh, come here, friend, about bomb my German, the Cronon, class, my baby, I have such a thing. Cause me, I'm in the bar. I'm a big Nadan, see, Gruma say. And you're nice. And you're there, sir. No, you pay old man, what can cry. And the panel say, you're the pet choker, and I say, well, house and I be, and I'll be who send ABC and manage you. No, that's not how you ding. He says, I'm a minimum in your sign at here. Oh, maybe I'm not friend, I can't quite so much in power and fire and call Betty. No, Bibi aboko ko e bibi aboko de.
Actually,
sa
bibi aboko.
E jana mi se bari sa mo do no de obi bibi a to na wo su. Wo she he su nam se me be show.
Me okay.
We sure.
Me okay.
Ah, we ko the issues be say me no ntem kwa. Me no father for since enye be say tem kwa. I'm so sorry for how I treated you the last time you came to me. I mean, when I say me no would income me can't send chair I won't fat and see my say major whole life but still now I still remember the promise I made your father, and then you are still my best friend. So means me you won't share. Find a place in your heart and forgive me, and I've forgiven you too. No problem. Are you sure you're fine? That's why you can't be.
No, I'm just processing everything. It's been
from Aaron to Joseph. It's my dad. It's been too many things. Yeah. Until, I mean, I think so. What Buffy? Just call me because I'll be doing more of traveling. I just want to go and ease some tension. I've been going through too much. Oh yes, until I'll be doing more vacation these days. It feels a change of environment in the boy.
You're bad. You need it. You need to rest and assess your mind. Come back again.
Right.
Kafrati. Tinya umema hunkwa.
Everyone.
Yeah, me bombo dia fima. Pepama for. What's it?
Until the baby, I would just make sure I'm home first. Just text me or call me. Why?
I'll go to console now for me catch you.
No problem.
Take care. Bye.
Do same.
I'll see you later.
Okay. Wait a minute, me Koja. Wadarama. Why?
Bye.
Bye. Family. Bra. Go ahead and lock it.
Charlie, bra, na sema za.
Yeah, Amanda. Alive.
Charlie, say me call uni ho, pa ho.
Ebusi say.
Oh, Charlie, say me call no. Le madam for no share me la lie me o and say me feel say me chigu ho.
Who feel say we chigu say?
Because I say me drew ho na me ne kazana say o share me star bi I say we obi ya chill lie bi san. Uni am feel say me chigu because any again the man me dey. Catch him so obetutu kwan bi ni ade ade ti me ba fie ho a me friend and sakwa na me ba fie ho ne lie bi o.
Na cheze akwaro da so fie wa na eze wo hwe sis na.
Debi fie ho dem nye so but me feel say akwa no fie on say that so can be kire again. So dem can no say cause adam for na me nim no nye say no react. Me feel say o can be kire again. Tama girl no so as o ya hwe me tutu bi. Cause say no share me lie party. Me feel say kire na ho sa.
Amanda, like you said, them see who no man. Who you say, I can't say any siblings can what time be get the baby ko. In Lama again, I style.
Hey, bet me possible.
And I'll go pay baby. I did that.
Bet me possible because girl name me didn't come on. See as what kind and boy and say what say na. I say what thing to okay oko. I don't know. Chance Musa. I don't know. On far bibi am not sure. Charlie, bet me possible. But you say we free home so anko. On ma Ghetto. Go we Ghetto.
Ghetto dey akwa we dey be yes so be saba Ghetto abiemu. Tell them me see ho no who say what time be what takru bibi ko. Sana me ho no.
Hey.
Amana.
Say
yen hu dey because he dey agura we or dey second be there. Yeah. Yes, you should be bia here.
Hey.
Can I make us a way bad and straight? You both and you finish again, you finish and be out to a job. Because I want down for now. What do you for back?
Because I say, yeah, they get to info the measures of the back. Again, I was all I to again on to some munka. I'm to chain, I may just as I never my swation. Because Yakasani de Phyllis Machigo, but I'll see I find out.
Yintimi ma watching goes at quite be a first way be shakwana near who dear kwana be boom again to him near who dear co.
See again if you run to me. I'll see me Buffy just me friend and Sabine like you over to quine Bina.
Oh, I don't know so bad friend answer.
Me feel so bois, me feel say be beating on money Casasa, Sana me my dream me. I ask say what mammy.
Amanda, you who dear because he had to say ya these are Massa. No more be fires.
Charlie, oh, the only baby. Mommy, goofy not. Resty capture.
Resty dinners now will be found with you. Come so you have the lady cook. All right. Don't fear, Amanda.
I remember, babe.
All right.
Because the conversation we had the last time, I thought there was something.
No, there was nothing.
Oh.
I told you there was nothing.
Is that sure? Hey guys, okay.
Oh, we're okay.
Yeah.
You good?
You good?
Yeah, I'm good. Okay, so since I'm good, I'll leave tomorrow. I'll sleep here this evening.
Yeah, feel free.
Okay.
Feel free.
Nice.
So you were worried that there was a problem at home?
I was very worried. I thought there was something happening, so I came check up on you.
Oh, that's nice. No, there is nothing. Yes, Orjin in your house. Be a sabri. I can't say there.
Oh, bien, why?
I can't say there. The two are the same.
Madam, look at it. I saw so basically push it. Me TV.
Yeah, that's so sleep.
I don't know cooking. I love.
He is there.
Me put me name. I share my pocket. Na me call market.
Sorry.
My pocket. Me bottom. And I call market. Me hu dia ye na kinaila.
Ade show bottom we hu dia.
Me hu dia ye me bottom so na ete.
And this is no better than baby ada.
O so de san kamedi ne da ho.
Now what da?
Oh, metimi ada for me no dey say voice no dey.
Hey.
And when I was street no so sa.
But no more support per man.
Wo mo afro na obi oda for no go for. We ente no hye na kure. O why pa na why is a bad day. Party. Or the so say be pre no ko sha kure ni.
So okay, Nadia, I don't mind sleeping in your room.
That's all bo.
Uguna kola hon. Bi o wona kire no. Bi o wona kire no. Ya bi wa cha na kire no.
Oni peja rough.
Sade ta ho no wona dun se onya yi. What e? Wa na ope. Huh? Ope.
Ma dream fita.
Che. Oda fita. O tare wa on.
Boss nyina ya dream fita.
Wo jina ho wa dream fita.
Madam me fita.
Ya clear.
Me am clear.
Kiss na say nya ba ko pe.
En ne bom ni nyina.
Why are you talking about?
Funny. Jairo.
Madam, I'm 100% sure.
No, why are you talking about?
I said the key knows.
Come down. Yati. Why?
Me can't be home. Maybe I'm
Why?
No, what did you do?
I made it. Did you understand me? That's my favorite show.
Why? Jesus!
Sorry. Me what's all down? I'm sorry. Me sorry. Me very sorry. Me sorry. Me sorry. Miss Ro. I'm so sorry. Honestly, at Tarifitana Washington, I said any akunyano a blended, so I didn't see. I honestly didn't see, to be very honest. And then you're also a little guy.
Who is little? So I come to punch. Who is little guy?
I'm sorry.
Better watch your mouth, who's little guy.
I am sorry. There's no need to be shouting. I'm sorry.
Man, you say Oblan watch them. What's the meaning of that? Mukwa say, well, you may mess on the corner. Why you still here?
No power, but then me come be check me bra sorry na come crown say me call.
Obe check his old bra so now one who's Kenya was all about this time. I did 3 hours time. I sound was all. Skinny be on all about this time.
Okay. I'll just go and freshen up. My son's up, but never check yourself.
Wait. Is he your real brother?
Yes.
There you don't resemble.
Oh, we do. Like, look at. It's just that he took our mother's color and I took our father's color. Do you get?
Your brother took your mother's color and you took your father's color.
Yes.
Who kakeku?
I'm not saying.
You don't know kakeku.
See, I can't me waste one my program. The crampo see. I'm going to freshen up. I'll come back and come and check whether they are here.
No problem.
I'm sorry, okay?
You say you don't know kakeku?
No.
Hey, Maria sepa. Say, Obana Bema na fane mami. No, bana funny papa. Yeni ya minyamu mami ni masha pao. Nti ne mami so si ya ne limutie. Ne se ne mami so pampe mapa. Hello. Hello. But the guys is too nice. Really, I don't think it's one mother, one father. Maybe different mother, different father. But for the man is too dangerous. Anymore, I don't know. Mamma comes and said, the baby can't could be my fault. I don't think fast. Hello.
Sweetheart. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Sit down.
Thank you. Auntie, I'm going to school and I'm missing my crowd, so I'm going to school.
Oh.
If you could get my brother for me so that I'll tell him that I'm going to school.
Oh, brother, on Saturday, I feel no change the third girl. When I'm sorry you. Here. Or best sorry, I did 11, 12. Or best sorry, no breakfast I ready. Or that one, sorry, Tim. But I don't pay with the breakfast. Are you okay?
I'm trying.
We're sure. I'm sending you money for the fees and also your upkeep. And I think so. Be here provisions, Kakra.
Yes, please.
Listen, I just met your brother and I liked him. Do you get it? Me share ne keke and I'm a penance. Sana me huno me pewasem. Inti, I mean, don't stress yourself and stress him as well. What I say, so I wouldn't say financially, no, on Shedanye stable. So if you need anything, I am here. I am your sister. What's it?
Thank you very much.
Right.
Medasi. I'm sure.
Right. And I'll tell him so. So I'm sending you the fees and also something to get your provisions and stuff.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Okay. See you.
Okay.
Okay. But Udra text me. Let me know so we're due.
Yeah.
Why?
I'll do that.
Okay.
Thank you. Bye.
Your friend is saying, family no find your man in Koja. Why? Okay.
Oh. Where were you sleeping? I've been here for the past 10 minutes.
Yeah, I was a little bit.
Oh. Is everything okay with you? You look so down.
Is it?
Yeah. Is everything alright? Now, that stupid boy in our film. Abba.
Stupid boy.
I mean, Joseph, of course.
Oh.
Because somebody here, that's why he's stupid. Unfair of him. On so ma.
Already.
As I won't feel alright. As I mean, I didn't know what that now.
I told you I was busy. But I feel alright. I'm okay.
Oh, okay. That's fine. Anyway, why are you busy there, man? Marco, I just came here to say hi to you.
Amanda. Mene wonante ya me oboni bi.
What?
Me pese me hu se ebi a me nante a me no nante ebi a me tia wo na so obi bi so ebi a me ha wo kwan bi so ebi I offended you that I don't know. I want to know, so I apologize. Me fa wo se nua. Ni me perform me when I watched it for you. Me tobi de ma. Me kukruska e de ma. So that you can be okay. I don't know, but I mean, for years. I was even asking, yet day and I wouldn't be numb for years. You come to my house, you even sleep in my house sometimes, and I don't even know where you live. What you say? How I me far or no? How I me do what you say no? I believe so one family, sir.
Why are you talking like this? I don't understand. What do you mean?
Oh, you're still confused?
Of course I'm confused. Oh, say be a me yo bonny be me tia one now, so be a me cause and ya we share me in say maybe I did something that I need to apologize. Tell me.
No. You did nothing. I don't the same old issue that's all.
I'm still confused.
I don't have any issues.
You're still confused?
I don't think I have issues with you.
Right. Joseph. Babe.
Hey.
Babe, come. Come here, baby.
Yeah. Oh.
So your plans? I don't know why, and I don't know what I did. I want to name the boy a plan to come rid me of what again? I think I'm lost. Rid me of what? Rid me of what? But thank you so much. Because everything you planned, he told me. But let me baby, I won't keep such a good heart. Then you meant natural one, her seni pada seni. In fact, Bonnie and Frenchman Papa Yesuka, it would never happen. And to Joseph told me everything. But you know, thanks so much for giving me such a loving, sweet husband. For giving me such a man who will love me for me, a man who will take me as his, who will be truthful, transparent to me. And Nena me prepare this man is going to be for me. He's going to be for me. Because I'm pregnant for him. Oh yes. Okay. I don't know. What am I for my parents? Once I over there. What is that? You over this or not? Pan. Who freezing and we race and we race. What's the son of Massa? Is why I saw baby. Once a woman will yes. I'll never crowd here. Anybody will see me here. We are ready to the question, maybe I'll find it. Then.
Kaya wona metia wo na wo siese nka wo dome na wow best friend sine me ese menko menko ina boni si ale sorry enti tu wo ma ko ni sorry me ko familia I'm going to go.
And
I'm not sure that
the guy, I see no.
She mentioned that you would want to be sorry.
What's your name?
You are June. Huh?
The John was young and seen Mama.
I guess any young command. Who you want to whatever you say.
Thank you.
I love you. Thank you.
To love you too. Hey, baby, no pray.
And I said, okay. No, what would you
do?
I
love you so much.
I love you too.
What's about the
Bring about home. Man talks and we man come and I website that it's
Family, what's on there? Family, what's on there? What's mental? Mental. Banato.
Lamento.
Quite.
Lamento.
Family. Baby, we fight.
No, I tell you. Oh, I said to
Bullshit, I'm saying, Masemi Akakanaka. The same day to me.
Yes.
Madam, we say, Bema de Usiswa. The more now we no go anymore. So now can you be a take up a 7 1?
But when you be on
Maybe.
Oh,
Or TikTok. But me now who any bat. The commodity mamma de our lesson to be.
now you be on any time. Now you are listening to training.
Now, family, me just a picture now, catching, which are who picture.
Hey,
that.
No photo shoot towards it. But the same.
Which one I guess?
The passport or a
passport picture now. When they come on, you see the look on your first.
Yeah, no, I
said, no, we can show.
No one.
Boko.
No cover.
Yeah, mammy.
Oh, yeah, Madame or anything.
Just saying, come here.
Now, more times I have to see.
More time, who per se? Who per se?
Hey, Susie.
Many boys say why, but back I lie. You don't wanna see me fly, and then me looking fly. No, I don't know why you do me so. And then when you know me like she be out for me. Oh, I got coke, I got whiskey, I got juice, I got vodka. They will carry, they will be, they will fly. Like movie. I got coke, I got whiskey. I got juice, I got vodka. Yeah, baby. Oh, yeah, baby. Nah, baby. I got dough, really that, really low, fine, my fine. We need to get to play. My money is a legend. Now, only one night, we die in the magic. Sometimes, no sense in your baby. And every time we drink in your baby.
Amanda, you say, Danny. I think I'm going to go for my wife, and I just want the idea the age of. Huh? This is saying you may be out there. What do you have to do? Get finishing now.
Baby, when you married it, because I actually see I need about you say. Better make about it. Do you mind don't give me? Yes, sit back to them. I will say make sure say time up them kaka. So they be suspicious behind and mouth.
You said it was a upon what did I drink 8 years, bro? Then you can't say you're here the 18 man. You marry, in fact, Madame came, you go finish your money and feel. I think some of them
need not try anything like that.
Amanda. Sisi Eddie.
My friend, I remember film good bad. 2 years time.
Titan, stop the bomb clock and pull the gun. Know the poverty like militant. Get the moolah like you eat the bank. Me never blow money in Decepticons. The money, 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 the money,
the money, the money. Me testing the semi honey, a biani, uyanti, a kum will be babiani. Send the question back out.
Joseph. Yes, I'll tell you that. I see a baby father that goes at night. I see a do feel. I'm already now with the on your own.
Lion of Judah.
You're gonna
founder of one PG.
Get the money, have the needed dumbbells, then your man. Can't down in the body.
We are gonna. You say that's what they are doing, Diabo. And they just saying 2 years later. 2 years later.
2 years, now 2 years, never would. Actually, who are taking it to see her? I used to pass one island. Still now, misbehavior. That boy, Miss May want a paint toward going past. I'm what I said now. This is only a man that can sell. Vandana me a driver, but wishing you are member national son. We are Ghetto Cadibi, a Libua, Van Dam national son. What they are come by a John boy.
Move, let's go.
The money, the money, the money, the money. The money, 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 the money.
You quit dumb baby, we've been in a race so many. Hustling for the money, so we can make for you.
I drugs one day. Tell me knows that a fierce light in a Ghana. Me I link up with some girl them. She'll change my life and spec it up for me. Me can't make the girl them move out of my life, you know. We are good here and well love. You see me? Almighty, I don't know inspiration.